Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, has warned that a significant rate hike by the Federal Reserve risks deflation in the United States. How did he arrive at this conclusion? Musk's warning came after ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood warned that leading inflation indicators like gold and copper are signaling the risk of deflation. Here's everything we know so far. To begin with, let's look at an overview of the Fed rate hikes and deflation. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, tweeted Friday evening, "A major Fed rate hike risks deflation." His tweet has gotten a lot of attention. At the time of writing, it had received 80,000 likes and nearly 7,000 retweets. Some people agreed with the Tesla CEO, while others claimed he was wrong about the US economy. Raoul Pal, CEO of Real Vision and a crypto investor, agreed with Musk, tweeting, "Yup, it's almost baked in. The danger of the Federal Reserve is oblivious to consequences." According to Sven Henrich, founder of Northmantrader and lead market strategist, he went on to say that the Fed was too slow to react in the first place and is now slamming the brakes, emphasizing that the Fed is too reliant on backward-looking data, risking quickly breaking things. Politicians also joined the discussion. If US President Joe Biden and House Speaker Nancy Pelosi hadn't spent trillions of dollars we don't have, we wouldn't be having this conversation, said Congresswoman Nancy Mace, Republican, South Carolina. In a recent speech in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell emphasized the central bank's hawkish stance. He stated that the Fed's fight against inflation will be painful. Many people are concerned about the Federal Reserve raising interest rates, including Senator Elizabeth Warren, Democrat, Massachusetts, who has stated that she is very concerned that the central bank's action will send the United States into recession. Musk stated in August that inflation has peaked and will fall rapidly. He also predicted that the recession would last about 18 months. Moving on, in a drag race, the Tesla Model S Plaid beats the $3.6 million Bugatti Chiron. In a new Drag Times video, a Tesla Model S Plaid leaves a $3.6 million Bugatti Chiron in the dust several times during a drag and roll race at the Triple F Raceway. The Tesla Model S Plaid, with 1,020 horsepower on the circuit, and the Bugatti Chiron with 1,500 horsepower faced combat. Although the Plaid is around 500 pounds lighter than the Bugatti Chiron, the all-electric vehicle proved to be the superior performer in these races. The two vehicles take off roughly 4 minutes into the film, with the Model S Plaid leaving behind the rare and pricey supercar. The Chiron was hesitant to leave the starting line, but it was able to close the gap before losing to the Plaid. The $3.6 million car got a stronger start in the second race and could tie with the Model S Plaid. The Tesla won the third and final race with a faster launch from the starting line. The final two races were rolling races, which aided the Bugatti but did not prevent it from losing to the Tesla. The Tesla Model S Plaid has a 0 to 60 mph time of 1.99 seconds. However, it has been demonstrated to do 60 miles per hour in as little as 1.98 seconds. Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated during the unveiling of the Tesla Model S Plaid in 2021 that it was the quickest production automobile that anyone could buy. He regarded the vehicle's engineering as almost foreign. Following that, Volvo Trucks begins production of electric semi-trucks. Volvo Trucks has announced that the manufacture of their all-electric semi-trucks has commenced. According to a company press statement, Volvo Trucks has begun manufacturing their all-electric heavy trucks, which will be sold throughout Europe. The trucks are now manufactured at the company's Tuva plant in Gothenburg, Sweden, and will soon be manufactured at the brand's Ghent, Belgium site. While Volvo Trucks has already sold smaller electric cars, these new large trucks account for 2/3 of the company's best-selling vehicles. This includes the Volvo FH long hauler, the Volvo FM multi-purpose vehicle, and the Volvo FMX off-road off-road vehicle. The powertrain consists of 3 electric motors with a combined output of 650 horsepower and 1,770 pound-feet of torque, allowing the truck to pull up to 23 tons. The vehicles have a maximum range of 186 miles, but must be charged for 2.5 hours using a 250 kilowatt DC fast charger for 0 to 80%. These specs lag well behind the brand's American electric vehicle, the Volvo VNR Electric. The Volvo VNR Electric range of 275 miles can charge to 80% in 90 minutes using DC fast charging, and has 455 horsepower and 4,051 pound-feet of torque. Volvo is a pioneer in the all-electric heavy truck market. Tesla has yet to launch its semi-truck product, and even traditional companies like Peterbilt and Mercedes have slipped behind. Only Nikola has been able to capitalize on the electric semi-truck market. However, the question remains of who will control the electric semi-truck business when countries rigorously restrict ICE vehicles. That answer is yet unknown. Next up, SpaceX launches high-performance satellite internet for home users. SpaceX released a high-performance satellite internet option specifically tailored for companies in February. The higher-tier kit is a step up from the ordinary Starlink system, thanks to its larger dish with double the antenna capability and quicker internet speeds. The service looked appealing, but there was one catch. It costs a tremendous $2,500 for the high-performance satellite internet system, and a whopping $500 per month for the service itself. According to recent modifications to the official Starlink website, a high-performance satellite internet kit is now available for residential clients with no monthly cost of $500, while residential customers who want to have Starlink's high-performance satellite internet kit will still have to pay $2,500 for the hardware. They will have to pay $110 per month for the service. Residential customers that choose a high-performance dish may be able to take advantage of more of Starlink's features for the same monthly charge. According to SpaceX, the high-performance Starlink kit is best suited for people who live in severe settings, such as hot or freezing climates. According to Starlink's support page, the high-performance dish provides incredible download speeds in hot weather, better snow melt capability, improved water resistance, and better satellite sight. Recent SpaceX releases show Starlink is available on all 7 continents, including Antarctica. The National Science Foundation corroborated this, stating that scientists at Antarctica's McMurdo Station are over the moon about the benefits of SpaceX's satellite internet service. Following that, Jay Leno will host a live Q&A session and discuss his latest video with Elon Musk. Jay Leno, the presenter of Jay Leno's Garage, plans to do a live Q&A with fans and discuss his most recent episode featuring Elon Musk. The program and live Q&A will air on September 21st, and he will also discuss his chat with President Biden and the technologies included in Season 7 of the show. His interview with President Biden might be an interesting conversation. The Biden administration dislikes Tesla and Elon Musk, especially after the president wrongly stated last year that General Motors, Mary Barra, was leading the EV revolution. In a recent post, the Biden administration continued to dismiss Tesla's contribution to EV growth, despite its incredible growth over the years. Instead, the administration credited President Biden with tripling EV sales in the United States, while ignoring Tesla's 87% increase from 499,535 vehicles sold in 2020 to 936,172 last year. In a recent interview with Yahoo Finance, Jay Leno stated that Elon Musk is to blame for the popularity of EVs today. I think he deserves some credit for spearheading the charge, because before Elon, people would say, it's a golf cart. Jay Leno stated, people would make jokes about electric cars being slow or something. As a result, I give him a lot of credit for it. I believe that electric vehicles will be the industry's savior. The conversation conversation between Jay Leno and the President of the United States could be interesting, especially if Elon Musk and EVs are brought up. Finally, Needham, a Tesla bear, changes his tone and moves to hold, citing future strength. Needham and Company has revised its stance on Tesla, NASDAQ TSLA, advising clients to hold rather than underperform. According to the business, several elements imply prospective strength from Tesla stock, which is up 21.59% in the last year. We feel the stock is fairly priced, and we do not see a catalyst for underperformance in the short term, said Vikram Bagri, who took over the group's Tesla coverage from Raji Gill. We see numerous potential catalysts for the stock to rise. Bagri named the extension of the federal tax credit, which Tesla has been unable to obtain despite selling 200,000 electric vehicles, as a big boon to Tesla. Furthermore, S&P Global Ratings has highlighted its requirements for Tesla to enhance its credit rating, which is now one notch below investment grade. Tesla's possible launch of the Cybertruck next year, growth of the supercharger network, and increased gross margins owing to the 4680 battery cell were also mentioned as potential factors. Tesla stock was up 1% at the time of writing, trading at $305.64. On August 25th, Tesla completed a stock split, which reduced the price by 1/3 while increasing accessible shares thrice. Long-term expectations and forecasts have also played a role in Bagri's decision to raise Tesla's Needham rating. According to Bagri, Tesla will have a 10% market share of passenger vehicles by the end of 2023. Furthermore, he expects that global electric car adoption will be around 40% by the end of next year. Well, that marks the end of our video for today. We hope you enjoyed it. On your way out, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.